Hello! Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. This is Gabby's Vlog for our latest vlog tungkol po sa ating na-miss ko po yung throwback for today's video, but subscribe na to our YouTube channel. Gusto ko pag-like, shares, comments, and views. Abutin na 500 subscribers. Supportan natin sa ating social media account. Latest vlog for today ay ang vlog name called 7 years ago for 279 at episode 279 years of vlog. Okay, sa ating vlog for today, panoorin natin ang highlights on throwback. Okay, simulan natin. Okay, 7 years ago, 2017, August 23. Kasi, 2 days na walang pasok dahil po sa medyo habagat, may bagyo, August 21 and 22, 2017. Bakit parang 2 years, 2 years tuloy, 2 days ang walang pasok dahil sa bagyo. Holidays at walang pasok. Okay, now for August 23, may pasok na. August 23, 2017, yan ang pinakahinihintay. Yan ang bisita sa school namin dati, which is Young Achievers School of Caloocan, which is ang bisita, Miss Philippines Earth Winners. Here is Miss Philippines Ecotourism winner, Vanessa Castillo, Miss Philippines Fire, and Neza Bautista, Miss Philippines Water, Jessica Marasigan, Miss Philippines Air, Kim De Guzman, and Miss Philippines Earth, and now Miss Earth 2017, Karen Ibasco, sa dating school namin, Young Achievers School of Caloocan. No, na-miss kasi naman noon ng school tour na Miss Philippines Earth. Kasama pa si Miss Millennial Philippines 2017 finalist, Miss Caloocan, Jen Ignacio. Ayan. Plus, may surprise gifts and winners on yung trivia question about the planet Earth, Miss Philippines Earth, and Miss Earth trivia pa. And of course, meron pa ng cultural number or dance presentation para sa lahat ng mga estudyante ng Young Achievers School of Caloocan. We love you 7 years ago. And of course, after the show, bago pa tayo mag-after the show, meron ding serenade their number, my teacher, former teacher ko, si Sir Justoni. Hindi maintindihan, Justoni. We love you, Justoni. Sir Robbie. And of course, after the show, meron tayong picture taking. At, na-meet na po yung ating Miss Philippines Earth winners. Lalo na Karen, Jessica, and Kim De Guzman. Na picture taking pa. Kaya, na-miss kasi yung ganyan. Kaya, thank you so much to Miss Philippines Earth and Miss Earth organization on the visit in Young Achievers 7 years ago. Sana mag-enjoy ang ating 3 years ago, or 3 years tuloy, 7 years ago, in the midst of our throwback. Maraming salamat to our loving heart and planet Earth. We love you so much. Kaya maraming salamat po for our latest vlog for today's video. See you next vlog. 7 years ago. Bye. God bless.